Hello everyone, Butterflies in Space. Joe here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and talking about the XReal Beam, as well as I'll be talking about my XReal glasses, which was formerly known as the NReal. Company was used to be known as NReal, now it's XReal, but yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing and talk about that and talk about my XReal glasses and the accessories I have, and yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's open this. The XReal Beam. So the XReal Beam is supposed to help you, it's supposed to allow you to use your XReal glasses wirelessly. So that's going to be pretty cool. I guess I should also talk a bit about the XReal glasses. So this is my XReal glasses right here. So the XReal glasses are a pair of glasses that are they're AR VR glasses. So as you can see, the XReal Air, they have this one actually even has prescription lenses on them, and then behind those lenses are two sets of screens, and then sunglasses, and then a case right here. So that this right here is for so this device is for the XReal Beam. The XReal Beam is for the XReal Air. So here it is, the XReal Beam. Look at that, it's super cool. So, and there's the in. So you would put that in whatever. So for charging, I guess, and then the out for the glasses. So these right here connect. It will connect to the XReal glasses through your USB Type-C charger or USB Type-C cord. So we have our USB Type-C, and then this would plug in over here towards the out. Let's take a look at the instruction manual, because this is first impressions and this is brand new product. And so you could do a wired connection, wireless connection, and you can switch modes. So yeah, so there's a video in and a video out. Alright, so wireless connection. Connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network as your XReal Beam. Or you could use air casting. Or you could use a wired connection. So this would be great for, you want to do things like gaming, and you want to make your glasses your screen. So we could plug this in like so. So this right here is to the glasses. So it plugs in like so. And then additionally, if you have, you have this right here, which is the adapter for HDMI to USB-C that XReal makes for the glasses. That would be helpful. Or if you have an iPhone, it has the adapter for the iPhone. You could take that lightning adapter to HDMI and plug it into this, and you'd be able to even stream directly from your iPhone, plug it in. So this adapter is also helpful with that. So pretty awesome that you can do. Now you can do it wirelessly. You should be able to go like that. Yeah,